Hello and namaste everyone. I am back again. I am Manshu here from Aditri Fab. Today I am here with a exclusive collection of Banarsi for white lovers who prefer wear to white color on top. So these are really very beautiful and white fabric, white Banarsi Chanderi. So let's get started now. This is off-white color, slight white tone. So top will be like this, very soft chanderi. You can see the texture of the fabric. See, lining is there in the weaving. So white top with beautiful border on the panel side. See, so check out the top. Length will be a 45 for this top, 45 or 46, not more than that. So top will be like this. Bottom will be green, bottle green bottom in cotton silk. This is a good fabric in cotton silk, so mild iron is required on this fabric. And dupatta will be a kota silk fabric, kota silk with Banarsi dupatta. See how it is. Border is really very good. See, very good zari and different weaving pattern. So bottom dupatta will be like this. See, this will be a pattern in dupatta, two side border on the dupatta. So you can carry this way also. So dupatta will be like this. I will show you full length of dupatta, and this is a bottom and top will be like this. So very beautiful color and combination. See, you can see the closer look. See, fabric is a kota with Banarsi. A very different exclusive dupatta today with this suit, and top will be like this. So top, bottom and dupatta. Price 1500, shipping free all over India. One more thing I would like to show you. See, feel the richness of the fabric. Very smooth and good quality fabric, and price is really very reasonable for this good quality fabric. One more, dupatta will be, so top will be same in the all category today. Top will be same, off-white top. Bottom will be maroon color bottom, and dupatta again Banarsi dupatta. These all are good quality, so easy wash care is required. No dry clean is required in this. So good color combination with the zari border. See, so top, bottom and dupatta. You can see the look. Easy wash care is required in this. No dry clean is required. And another color is, see, a chanderi pattern dupatta, small weaving in the multicolor threads. Top will be like this. See, all over multicolor thread is on the kurta pattern. See, so very good quality fabric. Top, mustard dupatta. See how beautiful with this suit. So white, yellow, and bottom will be cotton silk. This is not not too much bright. This is mustard yellow, in mustard yellow dupatta and top. So you can see the closer look, how beautiful top. Small multicolor booties all over the fabric and dupatta. Very reasonable, very good quality fabric in 1500 only. So just grab your order. Stock is really limited with us for this category. And this thing with another dupatta, digital print dupatta. See, dupatta is, see, multicolor digital print dupatta. How beautiful dupatta, home washable, So many threads, so many prints in the digital print dupatta. See how beautiful. You can team up with this dupatta with other suits in plain fabric. Color combination is really superb. So dupatta, this would be a bottom. So top, bottom and dupatta. See how beautiful. One more dupatta. Top will be a same and dupatta will be a change. Again slight color is changed in dupatta. So this will be another pattern. See, multicolor dupatta. And bottom will be, this would be a bottom. So top, bottom and dupatta. See how it's beautiful. Multicolor chanderi dupatta. You can see the look of the dupatta. All are 1500, very reasonable in good quality clothes. So grab your order soon. Book your order on the WhatsApp number. We have given WhatsApp number, and we have started customized stitching also. If you are interested in customized stitching, so what you have to do, you need to contact on WhatsApp number we have given there. You need to we will take some information regarding the measurement chart and all some details. So you need to contact on WhatsApp. We will stitch for you and we will deliver to your home. So shop with us, and thank you so much for watching this video. Stay connected with Aditri Fab. Thank you.